Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making beef shigureni. This strongly seasoned beef is a great side dish you can make ahead, and it can be kept in the fridge for up to a week. Perfect for lunch and busy weekday dinners. These are the ingredients. For more information, visit our website japanesecooking101.com. First, we peel the ginger root and cut into thin matchsticks. Depending on the size of the beef, cut or slice into bite size. Here we are using the beef that is already sliced for sukiyaki, and we are cutting into smaller pieces. Heat water in a pot and add the ginger and the seasonings: sugar, soy sauce, mirin, and sake. When it boils, add the sliced beef and stir so the beef doesn't bunch up. Cover and cook for 20 to 30 minutes. Uncover the lid and continue to cook until the liquid is almost all gone. The sweet and salty flavor of this dish goes very well with steamed rice. You can also add this to bento lunch or inside of onigiri. Hope you will like it.
美味しいね。